I want you to approach this in a business-type fashion or you'll get eaten alive. What happens with us when we fall in love with our art form, music or whatever it is, but let's just say it's music, is you do it for nothing. I still do. I go play for nothing. I love to play. But the minute that you are earning your living from it, it's a job. It becomes work. If you go into that with the attitude of, but I love it so much, I'm going to play what I want to play, I don't care what anybody thinks, you're soon to end up working at McDonald's at 30 because you wasted your early years going nowhere because it's a business. If you're going to go and sell music, then what you have to do is sell music that people want to buy. If you have music that you yourself create and you really believe in, that's wonderful. The perfect opportunity you have is to get a bunch of music that people want to buy, meaning cover tunes. This way you get a job, and now people come to hear you, and then you play 3 cover tunes, 1 of your tunes. 3 cover tunes, 1 of your tunes. And now you have the perfect opportunity to see if everybody likes your stuff. And now they may love this one. You say, great, keep that in. And you play another one, they hate that one. Lose that one. That was my favorite. That's okay. Play it for your mother.